I supply the material to that company, Inaflex.
Oh, Inaflex, there is a big company.
You know this company?
Yes.
Inaflex?
Yeah.
See this company, I will show you the name of the company. This thing.
Nabors.
Not Nabors, this one.
Inaflex, yeah, Inaflex, you know. This.
There is. Look at the view, man. Look at the view. We'll go back, Lee. Nothing is there now.
Just wait. A little bit around 2 kilometers.
Now I feel like a driver.
How do you feel?
Now I feel like a driver. A little bit.
But then it's a little bit. I came here already before.
Look at the view, man. Look at the view.
When is the collapse? Never?
Never. Very hard.
The very hard soil.
Soil is very hard.
This is not stone, right?
These are like a soil.
This
Normal soil.
dry soil.
But very hard. You cannot move even a small soil from there.
Really?
Yeah.
They already.
Very hard, very hard. Like a cement.
So never collapse, right?
Yeah.
Because the rain is here is not heavy rain,
Yeah.
right?
Look at the view, man. Look at the view.
Nice. I love this. I love this.
Look at the view, man.
Here is the gas
Oil museum
here.
It's right there.
You came here also sometime?
So every day I'm coming here, man.
Yeah?
Every day, yeah.
This is museum, right?
Yeah, that is museum. This company is very big. You should try here.
What is it?
What is it? It's oil company. I'll show you.
Oil and gas.
Very good company.
I will try. Maybe they need me, right? But they cannot find me.
1 second. I will show you this company. It's very good company. So many Thais are working inside this.
Yeah?
Yes. This is American company. Slumberger. Even in Saudi also is there.
Slumberger?
Yes. It's not burger. It's pizza.
Okay. Fuck you.
How is my driving there?
Very fucking.
We'll go back here.
Okay, you know. You need to see the
Oil museum?
oil museum.
No need.
Maybe you like, but I already there. It's now very nice view. Very nice view.